It's filming now. On film. I can only shoot one straight line. Do I film you? Mm-hmm. Right. Guys, in the middle of filming, I found a snake. And this isn't supposed to be part of it, but look, snake. Look. Is it dead? I don't know, but let's get around. I am filming you. Let me just try to hit the submarine over there. Swing it up a little bit. Right, now there. Because I see the diamond over there. Let me shoot it over here. Oh, my hat. Let me just, we'll find out with my mortar. Huh? That was the first episode of Monkey Business. It's going to be a new series about the military monkeys. And the first guy that showed up was a sniper. Second guy, buccaneer. Third guy is what I meant. Third guy was sub. Fourth was darling. No, it was sniper again. Then it was darling. Then it was mortar. Those are all of the military towers. Bye. See you next time.